Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to install ChatGPT on your Mac, here's a step-by-step guide to help you get the official version, not a third-party client. If you search for ChatGPT in the Mac App Store, you'll see several apps with names like ChatGPT, AI Chatbot, Ask Assistant, and more, but none of these are official. They're third-party clients that use the ChatGPT API. That means your data might not be fully secure, and the experience may vary. So instead of using one of those, let's download the official app directly from OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. Minimize everything and open Safari or any browser. In the search bar, type ChatGPT download and look for the official link from openai.com. Once you're on OpenAI's site, scroll down until you see the Download ChatGPT section. Click on Download for macOS under the Desktop category. Once the .dmg file finishes downloading, click on it to open the installer, then drag the ChatGPT icon into the Applications folder. If you're not on an admin account, macOS will prompt you to enter the admin username and password. Go ahead and do that to proceed. After it's copied, open Launchpad and you'll find the ChatGPT app there. Click to launch it. macOS may show a security pop-up saying, ChatGPT is an app downloaded from the internet. Do you want to open it? Click Open to continue. You'll now see the login screen. You can log in using your email or sign in with Google. Once logged in, you can start using ChatGPT as a full desktop app. You'll also notice a ChatGPT icon in the top menu bar. Clicking it allows you to quickly open the app anytime. And that's it. You've now installed the official ChatGPT app on your Mac, safe, fast, and easy to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.